The following video is of a process known as the cell cycle. This includes 6 stages: interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. During this time, the cell divides to form 2 daughter cells.
The first stage of cell division is interphase. This is where the cell spends most of its life. There are 3 phases within interphase: G1, S, and G2. During G1, the cell grows. In the S phase, DNA is replicated. The final phase of interphase is the G2 phase, where the cell continues to develop and grow.
Next, the cell enters prophase, the first phase of mitosis. The chromatin condenses into chromosomes, which are made up of 4 chromatids connected by a centromere. The centrioles separate and the spindle fibers begin to form. Finally, the nuclear membrane breaks down.
The chromosomes begin to move to the equator of the cell, and the cell enters metaphase. This is the second phase of mitosis. The chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell and attach to the spindle fibers. The centrioles have moved to opposite sides of the cell.
Next, the centromeres are pulled apart, making sister chromatids, which separate into individual chromosomes. This is the beginning of anaphase. The chromosomes then move to opposite poles of the cell along the spindle fibers.
The cell begins to stretch out and create a furrow in the telophase, the final stage of mitosis. The spindle fibers dissolve and the chromosomes decondense into chromatin. Then the nuclear envelopes begin to reform on opposite sides of the cell.
As the furrow continues to develop, the cytoplasm pinches in half in a process called cytokinesis. This is the last stage of the cell cycle. The daughter cells then begin the process again.
Anaphase, 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 anaphase.